Hello friends, welcome to the beautiful world of Acharya's Academy and welcome back to this rich course learning the basic maths for physics. So we are going to learn in this course logarithms, trigonometry, vectors, differentiation, integration and quadratic equations. So let us begin with our session on the topic logarithms. So in this session we are going to learn the methods of calculating log values. We'll learn some examples, and as usual I have made one assignment for you. So let us understand how to calculate the log value. My dear friends, if I ask you calculate the value of this number, is it easy to know to calculate the power of 2? So to calculate 2 to the power 3, yeah, you directly can calculate it. You can say it's 8, isn't it? So as you can calculate the index value of any number, or power of any number, similarly we are going to learn how to calculate the logarithm value of any number. So if I ask you what is the log of 8 to the base 2, so you must be calculating some value. How to calculate that we are going to study in this section. Okay, so let us begin with few examples. So now if I give you here one example, first example, calculate the value of log 8 to the base 2. So we are not knowing the value. So how to calculate? I will tell you step by step. If you practice it, it will become your second nature and you can just answer it. Sir, it is the answer 3. Okay. So now for this beginning, we must practice the steps. So if you go step by step, if you want to know the value of log 8 to the base 2, how can we find it? So let us consider log 8 to the base 2. The value is, let us consider n, because we know the formula. So value is n. Now just as you converted index number to the log, can you convert this log number to the index? Just as here you converted index number to the log as log of 8 to the base 2 is equals to 3. So can you convert, reverse the process? Can you convert log into the index form? Yes, we can convert it. So now how to convert it? Let take this number as it is 8. Now move this base from here to this side. So base will be at base position and this n will go at powers position. Isn't it so simple? Now here the 8 is having power 1 and 2 is having power n. So there is no comparison. The power is different. And here at the left side base is 8, at the right side base is 2. So we in no way we can compare these two numbers. Whenever if you want to compare something, there must be some common factors. So to calculate this n, we cannot change here any number, but we can change something in this basis, correct? So can we convert this 2 into the form of 8? No. But can we convert this 8 in the form of 2? Yeah, we can convert it. We can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 to the power 1. It will become 2 to the power n as it is. So now can you compare? The bases are same. When the base are same, we can compare the powers. Here we can apply the index law. What was the index law? A to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. Multiply these two numbers. So it will be 3. Here 2 to the power n. So now can you compare these two bases to these two numbers? The bases are same. Therefore, we can calculate that 3 is equals to n. Is it simple? Log of 64 to the base 2 is equals to question mark. Can you calculate it? Just try it. So yes, let us try. We just have to convert, okay, log of, let me write it, log of 64 to the base 62 is equals to, let us consider it is n. So now convert this log form into the index form, that is, let this remain as it is 64 and move this base to this side, it will become 2 to the power n. So can we cannot compare here the powers because the bases are not same, so make the bases equal. So how can we make the bases equal? So we just have to factorize the terms. Okay, so 64 is the power of 64, we can convert as 8 to the power 2, correct? Here 2 to the power n, isn't it? So still the bases are not same, so can you make the 8 into the form of 2? Yeah, we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 and to the power 2 is equals to 2 to the power n. I hope you are understanding. तो यहाँ पर चलो हिंदी में बताते हैं. We can write this using index formula. 2 to the power 3 to the 6 is equals to 2 to the power n. The bases are same, therefore compare the powers, therefore n is equals to 6 is the answer. So how simple it is to calculate log. So I hope you understood, and now you are ready to complete this assignment. So now to complete this assignment you must use previous cases and today's calculation method. If you have the practice, then gradually you can solve it very fast. So thank you very much. Solve this assignment as early as possible.